Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's subject is chemical which is referred as the most dangerous chemical. Gallium is a chemical element. Solid gallium is a blue-grey metal having an orthopic crystalline structure, whereas an very pure gallium is coated with stunning silver color. Common uses of gallium include the production of brilliant mirrors and liquid thermometers. This compound is also used to produce LEDs for numerous devices such as smartphones and calculators. Because it has the ability to convert electricity directly to light. Everyone will be having a question. Why is gallium so dangerous? Because gallium can break anything made up of aluminium like laptops, key lock and soda can. Gallium is very expensive in Indian currency. The current price of gallium is 5,607 rupees per 10 grams. Gallium is a rare element on Earth with a content of 19 ppm in the continental crust. But what if it falls on a human hand? Don't worry, it is non-toxic to humans, but it can severely irritate and burn the skin and eyes with the possible eye damage. Breathing gallium can irritate the nose and throat, causing coughing and wheezing. It is better to refer a doctor immediately if it falls on you. There are some precautions that you need to take before using gallium. Use a protective clothing, disposable gloves, lab coats and safety.